Hello learners, welcome to today's English class, and in today's class we're going to be looking at a topic titled polite requests. We're going to be looking at the topic titled what? Polite requests. We're going to be looking at what polite request is, those common words we use when making polite requests, and examples of how we can make sentences to come out in a polite manner. So these are many more what we're looking at in today's class. So stay tuned, it promises to be a fun and exciting class. Now, what is polite request? Now, a polite request is a nice way of asking to do something or give you something. Now, when you want to ask for something, there's always a way in which you ask it that will make the other person willing to do what you want. It has to come out in a very polite and a respectful manner. So we use these polite words to show good manners and respect. Now, when you ask for something in a polite way, it shows that you respect the person you're asking it from, and also that you have what? Good manners. So it's always very essential that when you want to ask for something, or when you need something, or when you want to go do something and you are asking someone for it, can be your parents, your friends, your teachers, or anybody around you. It's always essential that you ask it for it in a what? In a polite manner. So next, we're going to be looking at some of these common words we use when we want to ask for something in a polite way. Now, what are these common words we use? We're going to be looking at it in the next slide. We have words like please, could, may, and excuse me. Please, could, would, may, and excuse me. These are some of the common words we use when making polite requests. Your could, your would, your please, your may, and excuse me. Now, how can we use these words to form sentences in a polite way? We're looking at some common examples of these common requests using these words that we've highlighted here. Number one, could you help me with my homework, please? Could you help me with my homework, please? You can see how we use could and please to ask something in a polite way. Now, if you're the person that this is being requested of, you will be willing to want to grant the request because of how polite this is. So it's very essential that we should know how to make use of our words in asking for something politely. Number two, we have may I go out now? May I go out now? Number three, we have would you lend me your ruler? Would you lend me your ruler? Number four, we have excuse me, could you show me the way? So these and many more are some of examples of polite requests. You can see how we make use of our could, may, would, please, and excuse me to make sentences in a very polite way. And this conveys good manners, respect, and good behavior. So when next you want to ask for something, when next you need something, please endeavor to make sure that you do it in a very polite way. This will help whoever you are asking it from to want to grant you your word, your request. Thank you for listening. Something new. Bye. We'll see you in the next class. Bye.